If you're looking to get into the vlogging scene or are already in it, I'm sure you'll be able to agree that picking the perfect setup can be difficult.
So today, Olivia and I are going to show you one of our favorite vlogging setups, the Panasonic G85 with the 12 to 60mm lens combined with a Rode Video Micro. Let's go! So, if you can see behind us, it is December.
Street.
So if you can see behind us, we're on George Street in Sydney, and they've got a Christmas installation set up on the street where it runs all the way down on each end of the street, and it's pretty neat. At night it lights up and it looks awesome. So if you're down in Sydney or around the area in December, definitely go check it out. So now I'm just going to do a quick run through on our current vlogging setup. So we've got the Panasonic G85 as our camera, which is a fantastic vlogging camera due to its compact size and lightweight nature. In addition, it's got a DSLR-like form factor, making it easier to grip so you can easily get stable video. In terms of all the essentials you need to vlog, it's got a 3.5mm mic jack, a mini HDMI port that you can output to a monitor, as well as a fully articulating touchscreen so you can check out your composition when you're filming / before you're filming.
For the lens, we're using the kitted 12 to 60mm. It has a great zoom range, which makes it easy to get narrow and wide shots. Lastly, we're using the Rode Video Micro, which is a shotgun microphone and has excellent audio quality. Its compact size makes it great for people who want to travel.
So now I'm just going to go over the features that vloggers would benefit from using a Panasonic G85. So firstly, you have two really good video recording capabilities, which are 4K up to 30 frames per second and Full HD up to 60 frames per second for those people who want that slightly smoother performance. The 4K is really great for people who want to take some awesome cinematic shots or just really love cropping the hell out of their video. Secondly, if you are a person that doesn't like carrying around a really heavy stabilizer, then one of the best things about owning a Panasonic system is their dual IS 5-axis image stabilization system, which, if you know from the G9 and the G85, is absolutely ridiculous how smooth the footage is just using it handheld.
One of the most impressive features about the G85 is its enormous battery life. This feature allows you to shoot for hours on end without having to swap out spare batteries. And finally, for those wanting to shoot in all kinds of weather conditions, the G85 is weather sealed.
So one of the most important features for vloggers is having good continuous autofocus, because you're constantly going to be moving and you want your camera to track your face accurately all the time. Now, comparing this camera to the G85 or G9, you're not going to get the most amazing continuous autofocus performance in scenarios with high-paced action or sports. If you want to have a look at the G85 in those scenarios, we have a video up above. However, if most of the time you're going to be filming vlogging, then the G85 autofocus performance is fine and tracks pretty well. I have a couple tips if you want to get the most out of the autofocus performance in the G85. So firstly, use the 49 area autofocus mode and choose the middle 9 points, as most of the time your face is going to be in the center of the frame. Secondly, we've noticed that the autofocus performance works a lot better when filming in Full HD. So we'd recommend keeping 4K to scenarios where you can manual focus or just want to get more cinematic shots.
Due to the 16 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, this camera is also capable of producing really high quality images as well as videos.
In terms of the actual look of the video, the G85 and the 12 to 60 kit lens combo looks pretty good. In terms of the quality and the physical file of the video, it will give you a lot more flexibility to work with in post compared to a compact camera such as the Panasonic LX series. Doing a quick ISO test, considering that this isn't a full frame sensor, it has quite good noise performance, allowing you to capture up to 1600 and even 3200 ISO depending on your exposure. The photos from the G85 are great as well, so you can create good looking thumbnails for your videos and great social content as well. The lens provides you enough flexibility to get those wide shots for when you put the camera on your face, and some zoom to give you some extra reach or compression. Overall, a solid setup for people who are looking for an all-rounded vlogging setup.
To sum up, the G85 vlogging kit is a great solution for those who are wanting something lightweight and versatile.
And the best thing about the Panasonic G85 vlogging kit is that it's not going to break the bank, and you're going to get all the essential features that you would need for a good vlog setup. For people who are kind of like stuck on where to go and what camera to buy, I definitely recommend having a look at the Panasonic G85 vlogging kit as a great camera for you to use for all your great content needs. If you have any questions on our current vlogging kit, pop them in the comments below. Make sure to follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and our blog, which links to those are in our description, to stay up to date with what's going on in store and basically all our written reviews about everything that goes through this channel. If you'd like to purchase this kit, we have links to it in our description as well as our pinned comment. And as always, if you liked our video, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future updates as we upload every Tuesday and Thursday. If you're going to be filming sports and action photography, bro.